Hi guys, this is Lily with CRKT, here to talk about the Squid Compact by Lucas Burnley. For this knife, we use 8CR steel, and the blade is actually 1.75 inches, which makes it a tiny little blade with a hollow grind. The handles are a stone wash finish. This knife features our IKBS ball bearing at the pivot point, which makes it a really fast opening knife. Has a frame lock, as you can see here. We've had pretty small and thin knives, but nothing compared to this Squid Compact. I want to show you guys how tiny this thing is. The Squid in general is not a big knife, it's on its own. But here are two comparisons. As you can see, this is by far the smallest of the family. As you guys know, Lucas Burnley does an awesome job with each design. As you can see here, even though he shrunk it down to this size, you still get a deep carry pocket clip, the lanyard hole as you would on all of his other designs. As far as the Squid line, I think it's a strong, sturdy knife, even though size-wise, it's just much smaller. I personally really like the Squid line on its own, but with this addition, I find it so adorable. The size is just so cute. You could put it anywhere. You could put it on your pocket, you could put it in your purse, or however you carry your everyday knife. But if you're already a fan of the Squid line, I think this would be a great addition to your collection. If you're looking to get an even smaller compact knife, I encourage you to check out our Squid Compact by Lucas Burnley.